Gun, double gun. Double gun.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Express. Today we're diving into the future of hydrogen mobility with the all-new 2027 Hyundai Nexo. The 2027 model arrives with a bold new look, a completely redesigned interior, improved performance, and updated pricing that makes it one of the most advanced fuel cell SUVs on the market. Let's take a deep and detailed look at its exterior, interior, performance, and expected price. Starting with the exterior design, the 2027 Nexo represents a major evolution over its predecessor. The front fascia is sharper and more futuristic than ever. Hyundai has introduced slimmer LED daytime running lights that stretch across the front, creating a high-tech signature lighting effect. The redesigned grille features a parametric pattern that enhances both airflow efficiency and visual appeal. The overall front profile feels wider and more aggressive, giving the SUV a stronger road presence. Aerodynamics have also been improved. Active air flaps adjust automatically to optimize airflow depending on speed and cooling needs, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. The side profile is clean and sculpted, with strong character lines running from the front fenders to the rear. New 19-inch and optional 20-inch alloy wheel designs enhance the sporty look while maintaining aerodynamic balance. Flush door handles improve airflow and add to the modern styling. At the rear, the 2027 Nexo features a full-width LED light bar with pixel-inspired lighting elements, reinforcing its futuristic identity. The redesigned rear bumper and subtle diffuser-like lower trim add a premium touch. Overall, the proportions feel more muscular and refined, while still maintaining the eco-friendly identity that defines the Nexo lineup. Dimensionally, the new model is slightly larger than before. The extended wheelbase improves rear passenger legroom, making it more comfortable for families. Thanks to optimized hydrogen tank placement, cargo space has also been improved. This makes the 2027 Nexo a practical SUV for everyday use, long road trips, and family adventures. Moving inside, the interior has been completely transformed. The first thing you'll notice is the panoramic curved display that combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a larger 14.5-inch infotainment screen seamlessly integrated into one sleek unit. The layout is driver-focused, clean, and extremely modern. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with over-the-air software updates to keep the system current. The user interface is faster and more intuitive than before, with customizable display themes and advanced navigation tailored to hydrogen fueling station locations. The center console features a floating design, creating additional storage space underneath. Electronic push-button gear controls give the cabin a minimalistic and futuristic feel. Hyundai has also emphasized sustainability by using eco-friendly materials, recycled plastics, and plant-based leather alternatives throughout the cabin. Comfort has significantly improved. The seats are ergonomically designed for long-distance comfort, with available heating and ventilation in the front seats and heated rear seats in higher trims. Ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the premium atmosphere, especially during night driving. Because the Nexo is a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, cabin quietness is exceptional. There's no traditional engine noise, and Hyundai has added extra sound insulation to minimize wind and road noise. Even at highway speeds, the ride remains calm and refined. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, the 2027 Nexo is equipped with the latest generation of Hyundai's advanced safety systems. Highway Driving Assist 2 provides semi-autonomous driving support on highways. Features such as forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, lane keeping assist, and smart cruise control come standard or available depending on trim level. The vehicle also includes enhanced parking assistance systems and a 360-degree surround view camera. Now let's talk about performance, which is where the hydrogen technology truly shines. The 2027 Nexo is powered by a next-generation hydrogen fuel cell system that delivers improved efficiency and power output. The electric motor produces approximately 190 horsepower or more, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. One of the biggest advantages of the Nexo is its instant torque delivery. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is expected to be in the low 8-second range, making it quicker than many traditional compact SUVs. Power delivery feels linear and smooth, perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. Range is another major highlight. On a full hydrogen tank, the 2027 Nexo is expected to travel over 700 kilometers. Even more impressive is the refueling time. Filling the hydrogen tank takes only about 5 minutes, offering convenience comparable to gasoline vehicles and a significant advantage over battery electric vehicles that require longer charging times. Hyundai has also improved the durability and efficiency of the fuel cell stack, ensuring long-term reliability. The suspension system has been refined for better ride comfort and handling stability. With a lower center of gravity and improved chassis tuning, the Nexo feels planted and confident in corners while maintaining a smooth ride over rough roads. Steering response is precise, and regenerative braking helps improve efficiency while delivering a natural braking feel. Whether driving in urban environments, on highways, or during extended road trips, the Nexo offers a balanced and refined driving experience. Now let's discuss pricing. The expected starting price for the 2027 Hyundai Nexo is likely to begin in the low $50,000 to $60,000